gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox a Jeffree Star holiday box. I did actually receive these pretty close to Christmas time. It was, I believe, just a couple days before Christmas. Like literally within the week of Christmas. Really cutting it close this year. I did order these on, what was it, Black Friday I think it was. And they just took a very, very long time to get here. Luckily they did finally arrive. And my family and I decided to wait until Christmas Day to actually open these. I did purchase 2 of the white boxes, one for myself and one for my mom as her part of her Christmas gift, as she didn't own any higher end makeup or let alone any Jeffree Star cosmetics, and she really liked the way they looked on me, and I thought, why not just spoil her a bit. Now her box upon opening was actually identical to mine, so it was really all of this times 2. But opening up the box, we did have some green tissue paper, along with the first thing in the box was the coveted stickers. Now apparently there was a lot of internet drama, and this was kind of a spoiler because they were everywhere before I even received the box. Some people liked them, some people were frustrated that they received them. I think they're pretty cute. Not really normally my forte, it's not what I gravitate toward. However, these are done very, very nicely. I really appreciate it. They're all custom. You can all tell they're absolutely related to them. I enjoy the blue-blooded coffin here, the beauty killer mirror. And I think this is hilarious, although I would never put it anywhere but blend bitch. I think is really cute. I actually had to look up this one. I didn't understand what it meant at first. Turns out it was, you're still on the property. Oh, I remember that episode. Flipper wheel, dropped it again. Oh, I gotta stop dropping it. We have another Skin Frost. I do have several of these. I really like the way they perform. This one is in the shade Ice Cold. Ice Cold was actually the first Jeffree Star product that I saw from one of my friends. They had it, I wanted to try it, I swatched it on my hand and pretty much fell in love from there. I still never actually picked up Ice Cold by itself, but I know how this color performs and I love it. Just to give you guys an example, oh, it's so buttery smooth, just bam. And that, my friends, is a highlighter. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, it's so nice and smooth. So silky smooth. It's soft. And of course, these are pretty good size. In the box, I did receive 2 liquid lips. The first one is this nice little Christmas stocking. I was gonna say mystery flavor. Mystery shade. Mystery flavor, you eat it. It kind of looks like poinsettia, honestly. It's got this red gold glitter sort of shade to it. Very pretty. It really looks like poinsettia. But there we have it. It's one of my favorite reds now. I'm so excited I have it, and this one looks right up there, right in that same vein, same alley. Looks maybe a bit more like a cherry red rather than a brick red, a teensy tiny bit brighter, but still very shimmery, very metallic. It's very, very pretty. The other shade we received, I already opened and swatched because I just had to try it. This one is Mermaid Blood. It's this pretty teal blue color. Looks fairly dark compared to the red, but it's actually fairly bright, full coverage, definitely a statement color when you just want to have that bold lip moment. Last, but certainly never least, is this beauty. Without opening it, I already know what this is. I purchased this one once prior on launch day. You can remember when I had all that dental work done. I was just coming out of the anesthesia. I was so incredibly drugged up. I did a fun little reveal about the Blue Blood palette. Well, guess what this is? Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, bum, bum. the Blue Blood palette. Again, not knocked up on a bunch of painkiller. It's still a very soft sort of textured box, not quite velvety, but it is very slick. We have this gorgeous like Tiffany blue color with the white border coffin sort of moment. We're gonna pull it out. You can see it is raised just a bit with this gorgeous blue latch. Even though I already own one, I'm really excited to get a second because on my first palette, my lock broke after like 2 or 3 uses. So at least I have a nice new one that's all together and just honestly one of my favorite palettes by far. It's a bunch of these cool shades, cool tones, super gorgeous. I can already tell you my favorite shades are Ocean Ice, Flourishing, and this minty over there in the corner. Guys, and that wraps it up for this unboxing. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next time. You take care. Bye-bye.